Hey guys, good morning. It's day 2. Feeling a bit better than how I felt yesterday. So praise be to God. Right now we're heading to the cooking class, and yeah, hopefully that should be fun, a great experience for us. We'll be making a lot of new stuff, including one of the things that we ate last night, which was the sticky mango rice, and I believe like it's like 4 different things that we'll be making. So really can't wait for this wonderful experience and to take you guys with me. So yeah. Okay, can you say hi? Oh yeah. Thank you.
We love Jamaica. We love Jamaica.
It's so nice.
Jamaica is amazing.
Where are you guys from?
Arizona.
Arizona. Okay.
So we didn't go to a cooking class when we were in Jamaica.
Yeah, I don't think they do. Maybe
Just spice up the jerk chicken.
Yeah.
I did it in Paris.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I did cooking class in Paris. I made cheese
French
pies
would be
in Greece. And I made pizzas in Naples.
Wow. Yeah, that's really Oh.
They got it all around the world. And
We went to Peru with them, Africa.
Where have you guys not been?
I haven't been to Thailand.
Wow.
in Thailand.
Yeah. Have you been to China?
I've been to China 7 times.
Oh, okay. Do you like
I've been
it?
to every city in China you can imagine. It's
Oh, okay.
Beijing, Shanghai. And then I was telling them, if you're going to go to China, you have to go all the way over to the Sichuan province. Have you been to China?
Yep, we studied there.
Studied?
Yeah.
You don't know the language?
Yes, you do.
Oh, okay.
你用中文的名什么?
What is it?
Do you have a Chinese name?
Oh. They did give me one.
They gave you one. But you forgot.
I haven't been there in 10 years.
Okay, so
But they did give me one.
Okay, yeah.
I try to remember. It'll come to me.
It will come. It will come. It will come.
I learned what's their favorite song. You remember the Chinese favorite song?
Favorite song? I really like Neo.
Okay, hold on.
Professional chefs, but we'll do something. Do you guys mind if you're on the video? Oh, okay.
Just get this side.
You missed it. Alright, so we are at the market now. So we're gonna get the ingredients now, and also I think they'll be telling us like why they use these ingredients. So yeah, it should be very interesting to hear why, these things are popular here and all the different foods that they like to purchase for cooking Thai food, like all the different spices, seasonings, everything like that.
Lemon glass is one. Galangal, the same family with ginger, but it's not ginger. Same family, but different taste, different flavor, different usage. Ginger. Galangal. Different. So cannot find fresh one like this. The frozen one, dry one you can use, but if cannot find that, skip it. Don't do ginger.
No ginger.
Allow me
Okay.
this one. Cannot buy, don't need to worry.
Yes,
You just believe no problem. In Thailand, easy for us to buy. We add more to the food page. We get more. Don't use skin of normal lamb.
Don't use the skin? Okay.
Skin of normal lamb. All the time we go in with this to make the curry and then to make the soup. You see, like in Thailand, when we sell straw like this, we did not cut and then sell the leaf like another country. When we cut, we sell the leaf.
Oh.
No loop, nobody buy. Another country cut, sell.
Yeah.
So in Thailand, cut, sell.
Oh, wow. That's interesting.
We got everything.
Same family. but stronger flavor.
Okay.
So this parsley and the parsley in your country not same.
Yeah.
Not same. This one we use for the soup, spicy soup, coconut soup, tom yum, kung tom kha gai. We use this one. Cannot fry. You just coriander it fry.
Is there a way to do this? We're gonna have to help
You can eat that, but you can eat this one.
Okay.
This one we do like vegetable, not really like chili. Spicy
Yeah.
one, not very
Not
spicy.
spicy. Okay.
Really spicy.
Very spicy.
Smaller, stronger. Don't thinking I eat a little bit spicy, I take small one. Don't think like that. I big mistake. And to make papaya salad. So when it's young, low and clean like this one we call vegetable. We use this one like vegetable. Make it when the color change, this one turn to be fruit. Eat normal like fruit. Like this, the color not change too young. If we want to eat this one like fruit, we wait until it's old enough and then pick the day after start to change color. We change color from the top like
Yeah.
this, and then eat normal like fruit.
Okay, okay.
That sound like pop. Same like papaya pop in your kitchen.
Oyster sauce. Yeah.
Fresh soy sauce. This one we use just a little bit. This is chili paste. This is different. This is coconut sugar. Coconut sugar, palm sugar is.
He told us about the place on the side of the road, so so sorry if it's a bit loud, but he told us about the different recipes and all the different stuff like that. So we got the food and we're heading back right now. I think it's a case where like she already has the food where we're going, but she wanted to like explain to us, you know, like what it's used for, why we're using these things. And it's just a really great experience to know like the difference between the different types of sugar and what we're supposed to be using for the different cuisines, and if you don't have something, what you can use like to compensate for that. So I find that pretty cool.
It's here because it's free.
Different man. White peppercorn, this one. White peppercorn, if cannot find, red peppercorn you can use, but if you can find white, use white. If not, black no problem. But use less than white peppercorn because a little bit stronger than this one. Okay. Sticky rice jasmine. Remember?
Sticky rice.
Yeah, but you remember how it look like? No.
Which one is the sticky rice?
Thank you.
When you eat sticky rice, it's this color. When you eat jasmine, it's this color. But don't keep that color in your mind. Or in case if you keep that in your mind, when you buy opposite the color you eat. Buy opposite the color you eat because this one is changed after cook. This one after cook is this color. This one after cook is this color. So check also if you make.
Not only was the specific rice important, but also she was explaining like if you're gonna make the sticky rice, these are the types of pots that you should buy in order to make that type of rice. So you know, she was just showing us like the usual things that they would use or what we could get in our home country in regards to if we wanted to make it ourselves.
One lady to eat, but if we want to make a dessert, we go next step. We will make sweet coconut cream to make with sticky rice and look the leaf inside. That is pendant leaf.
What kind of leaf?
Pendant. Yeah. You can use vanilla you have in your country. Vanilla. But don't use cinnamon. No cinnamon. No cinnamon.
What kind of leaf did you call it?
Pendant.
Pendant?
And pendant.
I'm just gonna subscribe to your channel later. That's how I'm get this all footage.
I don't remember how to take a picture.
This is no heat.
What I should have been doing.
Probably maybe at first to get the flavor.
So when you make sticky rice, don't do like this. If you do like this, you break sticky rice. Don't make a circle like this as well. Like this too much for sticky rice to do. Hold.
So you want to fold it?
And then separate like this.
Go ahead, Julie. You are the baker.
we're all feeding each other today.
Professional. Let's go.
Coconut cream. 40-45 minutes ready to serve. If you want better, leave a little bit longer than that. More dry, more good for the sticky rice. After 17 minutes, have to do it again. On top dry, under still wet. Have to do one more time. And leave like that a little bit more or longer, fine, until it's dry. Finish in the same day. Don't eat half today, keep half tomorrow. Don't do that way. Huh? When you reheat again, sticky rice turn to be a little bit hard. The taste is not good.
Okay.
Then eat it all again.
Eat it,
Yeah,
yeah, okay.
Eat it all.
Even with all that sugar.
Yeah.
Jackfruit is nice as well. Egg custard.
Egg custard. Oh,
Custard
okay.
is so
I think you would like that.
And then ice cream.
Oh.
Coconut ice cream. Vanilla ice cream, not strawberry. No. Durian local good foreigner. Skip it.
Okay.
Skip it. And avocado.
Okay, avocado.
Super good.
I bet that's good.
Avocado is
That
nice.
sounds
That
nice.
is nice because avocado creamy.
Yeah, yeah.
This one is sweet. Sweet creamy together.
Yeah.
Magic.
Magic.
Try. Lemon glass. Lemon glass.
Okay.
Honey, right
Right here.
Okay. Chili. Cook with lemon glass.
Even after all of us mashed it to bits, like smashed it to bits, they still took over and did it for us.
Another just the hard one.
Let's see your work.
So there's no footage for the vegetable pad thai because I really had to wash the pot with this one, guys. So sorry about that. I don't eat shrimp, so I made vegetable pad thai. Well, all the others made like shrimp pad thai. Yeah, there's one more meal that I did a video too, and it was the coconut chicken like soup. That was a very interesting taste, but nonetheless it was great. As you guys can see, we had a great experience here. Like all the people, they were so warm, felt like such a home. And the food, amazing. As you can see, like we really couldn't wait to just dive in. If you get the chance to go to Bangkok, visit the Pink Chili restaurant, like the Pink Chili cooking class. Like I assure you will not be disappointed.
That was so good.
We were on the beach and walking this he had his stomach and he's walking down the beach and he's like, "Do you want to smoke, Mom?" And we're so funny, we're laughing, we just died laughing. So then I didn't want to insult them, you know what I mean? Because it's part, you know, it's just culture. They think, you know, and I wouldn't want to be like, so I go like this, "Oh, I would love to, but I have really bad asthma."
That's what he said. That's exactly what he said. Oh yeah, good for asthma. Did that hurt you?
I don't think so.
She said she did, but I don't know. Yeah.
You put your rice in
I
there?
would say equal. Yeah, that was good, huh?
I think this is my favorite. I think it's my favorite. Oh no! I think this is my favorite so far.
I was saying like I like the pad thai, but the curry is so good, like a burst of flavor in it.
Yeah.
Really good.
For us, the what was this? The coconut? I think it was like the coconut chicken. It's nice. It's very interesting, but it's like nothing I've ever tasted before. So, I mean, you know, getting used to it. But it wasn't bad, you know, the more you try it, the more it gets better. Yeah, that was really good. But the curry, really good. I really said, like, it's got a lot of different flavors. Part of it even kind of tastes like sea not like seafood, but like seafood spices, which is weird because I know everything that was put in there. The curry, like it's very flavorful. So yeah, I really like it. Really enjoying it. And then after we'll eat the dessert, which is the mango sticky rice that we made.
Well, you're already eating. Okay, so here I am.
And these are the wonderful people that I met on this beautiful experience. Really was a life-changing experience because I'm definitely doing this in every country that I can. I'm telling you guys, like, if you have the opportunity to do a cooking class in any country that you visit, actually do it because you're going to take a deep dive into their culture. And it was just so wonderful. So thanks to everyone who was there and thanks to everyone who is watching.
Had a great experience, like the best. Right now we're gonna try Thai milk tea. They're making it for us at the cafe. We had a wonderful day. It was just so nice that my belly is actually full and I didn't expect that, like all the different things that we tried. If you are in Bangkok, you definitely need to go to that place. Like all the people there are just so welcoming, so warm, and the group was just lovely too. It was vibey, you know. Just had the greatest experience. You guys want to comment? Well, you guys are gonna comment. Thank you.
You really put me on the spot here, but it was
no, Julie.
I gave my piece with the food.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a really great experience. Actually, 10 out of 10. You know how people are like, oh, just eat the food, but like cooking the food yourself is like a whole nother experience, and it was really great. Shout out to Pimmy and Pink Chili.
Yeah,
Pink Chili. They were really good, really accommodating, and they gave us this free menu. I mean, free recipe book.
Yeah,
10 out of 10. And the food, I feel like I could be on Gordon Ramsay's Master Chef. Food. Yeah, that's how good it was.
Yes. I'm so happy for all the laughs I had today. Like even Pimmy, as Chrissy said, like she was just so entertaining. She found stuff to just make us laugh and enjoy the experience. So yeah, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for everybody here too, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, definitely.
For the remaining countries, I did shorts, so be sure to check out my YouTube shorts for those videos. Bye!
You know you're on